Okay, here is the Princess Cadence. When I got her, her hair was pretty frayed, and I'm going to show you how to redo it. You cannot use the boiling water method on these types of dolls because their hair will melt. So My Little Pony, their hair melts. You cannot use that method. So what I did is I combed in, you can comb in fabric softener, and I left it, but I used just normal conditioner, and I combed it in. I didn't use leave-in conditioner, but I did leave it in because her hair was so frayed. I combed it all the way out and I braided it. Now this was about 4 to 6 months ago that I did this, and it's been in here in the braid the whole time. Now here's what it looks like now. Now you can pick these braids apart, but you know it's still frayed on the bottom, so you can just trim off the parts that are frayed. And really it's just the bottom now because everything from the conditioner except for the bottom's always the worst part. When you redo this stuff, when you redo hair and comb it out, the bottom is always the part that stays the worst. So we'll comb that out just a little bit. You can just pluck it out, but it looks so much better than it did before. I may have to trim a little more off, but there you go.